Antioxidants. What does it mean? What's it doing? I'm going to show you, hopefully, anyway. This here is an atom. An atom is carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, whichever you choose, with a central nucleus and an outer shell of electrons. And in that outer shell, those electrons are paired together. There's always two together. That's a stable atom, so it does not want to react or need to react with the things around it. Now, sometimes atoms will become unstable if we hit it with something like ionizing radiation or inflammation, for instance. That energy hit takes an electron out of that outer shell, and then you have an unpaired electron. That's then a free radical. I'm sure you've heard of that term. The problem with that is it's no longer stable. It's reactive. And if you like, it wants to steal an electron from somewhere else to make itself stable again, because that's the resting state. So it then steals an electron from a neighboring atom or molecule. And that molecule in turn then steals an electron from a neighboring atom or molecule. And so on and so on. This is called oxidative stress. So oxidation is the process of losing an electron to a neighboring atom or molecule. Antioxidants are things which can themselves donate an electron to calm this process down. So where you have an unpaired electron, an antioxidant like vitamin C or vitamin E comes along and donates one of its electrons to calm this down, to satisfy that outer shell of electrons and pair them on up again. Now, the great thing about a true antioxidant, which is something itself which donates an electron, is that it does so but can remain stable, because it sort of reacts within itself and remains stable. Vitamin C, vitamin E are great examples of true antioxidants, so they both donate electrons. If you stick those two in an environment with glutathione, which is your body's natural true antioxidant, they all help to regenerate each other and keep each other stable, so they can give electrons, calm down inflammation, and keep each other stable. So hopefully now you understand what a free radical is, unpaired electrons, reactive, stealing electrons from elsewhere, and oxidative stress, inflammation, this process of stealing electrons, and what antioxidants do and why they're so important. Beware things like blueberries and turmeric. They're not true antioxidants. They set off an inflammatory pathway that increases your own glutathione, which is the antioxidant. So an antioxidant really needs to be able to donate an electron. Right now, hopefully you understand what antioxidants do.